Yeah, yeah. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear, no fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Tree Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing they silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Take Profit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right. Staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Daily payouts. Yeah, see, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring.
What is up? What's up? What's up? Hold on one sec, I'll be right back. Oh, I'm back. What's up, party people? Anthony Marquez, Dean Bishop. Let's go. KDP. Smokey's in the house. Yeah, we took some longs. Up $1,500. Not bad. Discipline Trader. What is up? Trader 007. Hello. Daryl, Madal, Coach Fred in the house. Boy, I hate the ads. I wish YouTube would get rid of them. I mean, it's so stupid. Lay in the house. Oh, let's see. I'm a little behind. Hold on. Let's see. Prop codes. Propcodeshub.com. Let's go. How did everyone else do today? How'd you guys do? So another trend day on the market, just absolutely insane. Gold was kind of the better trade, in my opinion, but obviously gold's a little wild to trade. Well, yeah, NASDAQ acted like it wanted to go lower towards the open, and we put in these outside bars. I actually took a long here off this outside bar, and just 3 micros with a stop down below. And I don't know, I just had this feeling like we went about 50% of that range and kind of stalled, so I took it off. But then we did pull back and then put it in this outside bar, and then we just ripped from there. And it was just all trend day after that. So absolutely crazy. Market opens up in 2 minutes. Tony Lanez, what's up? Theta Gains in the house. What's up, Design? It's Mo, bro. JLD54 in the house. What is up? So anyways, this is the Trade Day Affiliate Cup. So I made $1,500 on it today. I'm currently sitting in second place. I think I'll still be in second place tomorrow as well. So I gotta take out Kellyanne. She was sitting around 5,500. So see if I can take her out and take that first place. Trader's Nest in the house. What's going on? Hamid. Yeah, sitting in second. Not bad. All right. Thank you, Theta. So yeah, the nice thing is that I'll be able to get yeah, so if I finish in the top 3, then I get prize money to give away to you guys. So Papa Pine. Let's go. Market's open, guys. Good luck. Good luck, good luck. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join in on the giveaway. We're going to get 200 likes and then we'll do the giveaway, but it'll be towards the end of the stream. I have another trade day account to give away. But we'll do that towards the end. Yo, Cody. Yeah, had a pretty good day. So I didn't even trade my Tradeify accounts, my funded accounts. The Lucid accounts that I got to pay out on yesterday, I made a few trades. I think I'm up like $200 or $300 on those 3 funded. I passed the Trade Day account. I didn't blow any accounts. So yeah, not bad. I pretty much just was trading this influencer cup. So we'll see what we can do on it tonight. Wow, nice little push on gold. Gold's pushing higher. Yo, Toy Trade's husband, what is up? Jay Styles in the house. Made some Monopoly money, 3,200 across 7 Apex accounts. Let's go. It's true. Doesn't mean anything until we get the payout. What's up? What's up? Toy Trade's husband. Mosh, what's going on? I'm doing well. Hope you guys are doing well. Gold pushing up higher here. Gold might be the play here. Nasdaq's been kind of crappy. We'll see. Oof. Gold ripping. Wow. 11 points on that rip on gold. Nathan Thompson, good morning. Good morning. You're in a big drawdown? Uh-oh. That's all right, Nathan. What are you trading? Who are you trading with? You can get it back. I mean, you just gotta. For me, usually what I like to do is try to size down, and then just chip away at it. Just chip away. The AWS outage. Oh, so who? I mean, most of the props took care of all that, but. I got my Tradeifys. They fixed mine. All right, time to skin up. It's a little warm. All right, Nasdaq pushing up higher, gold pushing up higher, YM really not doing much. ES. Stuck right at point of control. Nasdaq was much stronger than ES today. Much stronger. Market makes you sick, I know. All right, Nasdaq continue to grind higher. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Guys want to join the giveaway? Smash the like button too. All right, Theta Gains. Take it easy. Thanks for stopping in. What time did I have to wake up? It was just like, I don't know, what was it, 7? Something like that, 6:30. Yo, Butch, what's going on? Digital nukes in the house. All right, see, gold's just kind of going sideways at the moment. Nasdaq, I'm not really expecting too much out of net. If we could squeeze a little bit of some points out of it, it'd be nice. But I'm not expecting a whole lot out of either one, to be honest. Nasdaq looking like it just wants to keep grinding higher. Yo, makeup hour with Terry. I know. Yeah. I did wake up to an alarm clock. I was like, oh boy, what the heck is that? Oh, ginger snap cookies. I love ginger snap cookies. I have a sweet tooth. I mean, I'm sure it shows. All right, NASDAQ pushing up higher. Just about ready to pop new session highs. TJP in the house. What is up? All right, let's see if we can push up through there. Gold. Wow, gold's pulling back. Holy gold. Did we just have news? Holy cow. My chart just froze there. Holy rug pull on gold. All right. Did we have news tonight? Was that Hurry Go Long design says you're not wrong, right? CPI for Australia CPI, right? But that's at 7:30. Yeah, gold just absolutely plummeted. What's NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ just sitting here. Gold's the trade. I mean, gold's moving. I'm gonna switch to the MGC Z. Wow. About to divorce gold and marry. About to divorce NQ and marry gold. I know. I mean, NASDAQ's not doing anything. It's literally doing nothing. Oh no, JLD, you blew an account before you could even put a stop loss in. Damn. I'm on with one goal. Oh, not you passed one, Amid. Holy. Yeah, something happened in gold. Big sell came in. Absolutely rug pulled it. You got Cabooshin. That's right. Did that a few days ago. You knew Mr. Scold. I know. It is wild right now, for sure. You long design? Nice. 39.43. Nice. Buying those dips. Omar, what is up? Did I get any of the gold short? No. I haven't placed a trade yet. I'm guessing this is going to be an inside bar. I might take it. Probably just like 2 micros with the gold. She's really moving, so. Check out the daily chart on gold. So yeah, got a big, you know, we've been pulling back since the all-time highs. So yeah, we have been pulling back quite a bit. Tell happened to gold right now? I have no idea. Yeah, I don't know if there was any news or anything that popped through, but $50-point candle in a second. Oof. Putting in an inside bar, no surprise. I might, yeah, I think I'm gonna take the break. For the stream, yeah, 2 micros. I'm thinking. You hit your DLL on gold? Oh no. Yeah, I mean it's not hard to hit DLL with gold right now. It's very feast or famine. Did you ever get moved to live on Bulanox? Apollo Trade says no. I get the 3 consecutive payouts on that account, and then I end up blowing my account. So no. Moment you got on stream a 40-point drop is all your fault. Dark Side, what's up? I'm gonna take this inside bar. Break. On gold, I'm gonna try it. See what happens. Just 2 micros. Yo, Honest Take, what is up? Amazing how gold gets bought right up off those dumps. Just got bought right up. You swang 10 lots in an eval, 4,500 bucks. Let's go. You just made back 1,500 on. You guys are crazy. While the urge back up, blew the top step. Oh no. Ah, 200 bucks away. Damn it. Am I long or short? Hey, what's up, Alpine? Did I lose the Did I lose the A and the L on the marquee letters? I know. Pretty sweet. It kind of looks like an A, the little pine tree. Is it only a rule breaker if you have sell and buy orders on the news? If no news, it's okay. It's fine to do it. It's just some props don't like it, right? So, like as far as the brackets, it's perfectly fine. Yo, no name. Thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate it. Like Apex, they want you to pick a direction. They don't want you bracketing like around the open and things like that. But yeah, it's fine. It's this, despite what a prop firm thinks, this is not hedging. This is not hedging. I mean, you could just wait. If you're concerned, you can just wait. But this is a trade day funded account. But it's not a real funded account because I can't get paid from it. This is the affiliate cup or the influencer cup or whatever they want to call it. So we're sitting in second place right now. We're gonna take out Kellyanne. That's the trick. Try to take out Kellyanne. The other thing is that I don't want to blow up this account, right? Because if I blow up this account, then I'm out of the competition. Zay, Nasdaq's pissing you off? Yeah, Nasdaq wasn't moving. It's just doing that grind up again. Gold's kind of where it's at right now. We just had a massive, what, 50-point candle or something like that. So oh no, one stop, you lost it all. You'll blow Tober. Yeah, so I've been doing pretty well towards the second half of October. First half was not good. You guys remember a few Fridays ago I went tilty and just kind of blew everything. It kind of sucked. So I'm back to rebuilding. I got 5 Tradeifys right now. I got 3 take profit trader accounts, pro accounts. I got Bulenox Master and 3 Lucid accounts and 2 Tradeday funded accounts. So kind of rebuilding from the that mess. So it was nice to get that $3,000 Lucid payout yesterday because, you know, basically just went back into rebuilding. So hopefully we can keep that going because those Lucid accounts are looking really good. You know, I still have like $6,000 in drawdown after taking the payout on that one Lucid, so this is a little tricky here. We're just kind of like chopping that VWAP here. Kind of waiting for it to break the second inside bar. I think we'll get triggered in. Yeah, we're tagged in on the short. We're going to look for 10 points. Whew. Might not get it, but why isn't my... Well, for some reason my bracket doesn't have a stop loss. Huh, I wonder why. Oh, well, we'll just manually put in a stop loss. Buyers coming in on gold, continuing wanting to push back up. Nazar, thanks so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Oh, geez, the chart was the chat was frozen. I guess I missed a bunch of people. Simplistic videos, what's going on? Yeah, I had a great day today. Just really good. Kind of took it easy. Took a few trades and really didn't trade much. This trade day influencer cup is what I traded mostly, but I didn't even trade most of my accounts. I didn't want to have that post payout degenerate syndrome and just blow all the accounts. What's up, Orlando? Past your core counts, you got nothing to trade until they're activated. Yeah, so usually about an hour after market closes, or about an hour, 2 hours after market closes, you should have your accounts. How did I blow my accounts last Friday? Oh, easy. Just full porting. Or 2 Fridays ago. Candles moving super fast on gold. Yeah, they do. Yeah, that went a quick 6 or 7 points. I was looking for like 10-ish. And then it immediately whipped right back up. So we'll see. Risking 286 just with 2 micros on gold. Sure, 39.55. That's cute to go along. Yeah. 9 out of 10 times you're tilting on a Friday. Yeah. Tilting on Fridays is absolutely the worst, right? I mean, going through the weekend thinking about it. But you know what? After that tilt session, it's like, you know, if one door closes, another one opens, right? And so that weekend, I ended up learning how to run PineScript and to do codes and things like that for bots. And so I'm still learning it, but yeah, a lot of fun learning that stuff. I think sometimes you get complacent in the markets, and you know, it really doesn't take much with props anyway to make good money. You just need to make, if you make $200 to $500 a day on each account consistently, you're gonna get lots of payouts and make a lot of money. Exclamation point Pine, if you guys want to join the giveaway, smash the like button as well. We're going to give away a Tradeday account. It's part of my prize for the Influencer Cup. Probably not having the best R&R doing $200 a day on minis. No, not really, Ethan. Not unless you're like, you know, can scalp 10 points for 10 points and, you know, have like a 60-70% win rate, something like that, which some people do. How hard can it be? Honest Take says. Are you doing the art of trading PineScript class? No, just it's just fun to try to find some of those little nuanced stuff, back test it. I got a notebook going. It's back there. I was looking it over while I was before I went to bed last night. All right, coming back down here. Thought about DCAing, but NASDAQ continuing the grind. The old inside bar on the NASDAQ was working pretty good on the 5. Could I do a 50K trade day? Oh no, always grinding. You made 50K on a trade day eval. Oh, you just did it? Or you did it early today, or you just made 5K on it? Day 2 of 5. You gotta stay under 30% consistency, so if it was like if it was me, I'd probably personally I'd just lose money, but yeah, I've done that before. Just did it. Yeah, you gotta stay under 30% consistency on a 50K eval to make 3,000. So what is that, $900 a day if you want to pass it in 5 days? Yeah, 900. Too bad that wasn't a funded account, right? Always grinding. Too bad it wasn't an already past trade day account. You'd have a nice big fat payout coming. Yeah, that's the thing about trade day. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass. Is those evals. You gotta trade them for 5 days, and you gotta stay under 30% consistency. So it's a little bit of a pain in the butt, but yeah, damn, I know. That's okay. I mean, it's up to you, but if you made 5K in a day, yeah, we're gonna get stopped out on this. It was looking pretty good, but gold just pushing higher now. Getting destroyed on gold as per usual. You're always on the wrong side of gold, I know. It was looking, I mean, we didn't take profit. I mean, if you went for a 1-to-1 on this one, you got it. 1-to-1 on this one, you did not get it. I mean, that went down, what, 5 points, which is a nice trade on gold, but back to NASDAQ, continuing to grind higher. I'm actually take a long on NASDAQ. It's not even moving though. NASDAQ's not even, literally not moving. Feels like ES at the moment. I think everyone's just trading gold. All the money's in gold. You feel like gold just cleared a bunch of stocks because of the rate cuts? Could have been, yeah. Oh no, Joseph's about to blow another PA. Like an NQ short above 26,200. Think about a little NQ bounce off that VWAP. Wicked Wick of the East, what's up? Don't feel bad about blowing the accounts happening to everyone, no matter which direction you go. The market will always go the opposite direction. You just gotta, yeah, you just gotta fade yourself. You've been trading gold forever? Let's go, Todd. Yeah, now everyone wants to trade gold, right? Everyone wants to trade gold. It's all Joom's fault. Yeah, that's right. MGC pays like minis. It really does. Yeah, NQ is just, it's not doing anything. It's so slow compared to gold right now. I took a little gold scalp there. Actually tried to move my take profit up, and it didn't move quick enough. So I was actually really quick. Yeah, I was kind of looking a little bounce off that VWAP, and I was kind of looking to go move my take profit up, but it actually hit my take profit so fast. 35 ticks. Oh, that's right, I had it on 22 ticks. Got like 70 bucks out of that trade. So I'm down 230 now. We're in an inside bar, actually. Who is Todd? Is he trolling me? 5-minute charts for newbies. That's all I've ever traded is 5-minute chart. Long gold. Gold. Yeah, spreads are wide, yeah. For sure. Thank you, gain weight. What's up? Gabriel, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Looking for gold to bounce here off that VWAP. It's trying. You do 5 minute 100 ticks side by side, Indian Burn? Nice. Yeah, I've been trading 5 minutes since I just never looked at any other charts. Works for me. I look at other smaller time frames and it's too much. Well, breaking this inside bar here, I'm actually thinking about flipping short on the inside bar. Off the inside bar, I mean. Not really being patient tonight. Chopping inside that data candle. Now it goes up. Long off the Harami. Did I sell all my gold? Is that why the market dipped? How full? No. Yeah, crazy, right? Yeah, just, I don't even know, some sort of news candle or some, felt like some sort of headline, but could have been just a big seller. Or big stop run. I don't really know. Nettle dump watch. I know. There's the pop. Stops at break even now. I'm gonna trail my stop actually on this. Oh, come on. Just keep going. Big buyers at 39.46 and 39.51. Oh, way down there. Yeah, I see. Stopped out of break even there. Hunter tick chart. Yeah, a lot of people trade the Hunter tick. Yeah, Kent, for sure. Flat now. Ever since you stayed away from gold, your payouts have increased. Let's go. The Wick is unfinished business. Hey, Patriots AR15, what is up? Thank you so much for the sub. Wow, NASDAQ pulling back. New 15-minute opening up on NASDAQ or the market. Gold. A little choppy right now inside this giant candle. NASDAQ pulling back though. Rug pulse Pegasus, you called it. Nice. Short gold off the bear flag break. Two micros. Short NASDAQ as well. Do it NASDAQ. Let's get a little pullback. Come on, gold. Yo, lit, what is up? What's going on? Yeah, we'll see, Fred. I like it. Now it's hard to lose money. That's always the way grinding. Always grinding. That's always the way. Every time you try to lose money on an account, stay on the consistency, it's like you make money. Yeah, it's wild. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's get down there. Must be taking some heat on gold. All right, NASDAQ making new session lows. What's up, Valdex? So short NASDAQ, short gold. Looks exactly like yesterday. I know, it really is. Yeah, until we have that news. FOMC, stuff like that, it's really tough. Well, I guess I should have stayed in. If you want to lose money, yeah, K trades for sure. Yeah, with a hotkey setup, that's not a bad idea. Setting up a hotkey to do that, that's actually not a bad idea. Cranston White in the house. Yeah, gold's definitely going up right now. It's actually probably at my break-even spot. Check on the gold trade. Looks like we're right at, yeah, right at my break-even at the moment. NASDAQ's looking pretty good on the stump so far. I got a Tradeday account, Punisher. Tradeday. Alright, getting bought up there. What was the devil candle on gold? I don't know. Some sort of news, right? Come on, NASDAQ, just get down there. Come on. Gold looks like it's working out now. A little bit. I'm in just 2 micros with gold, and boy, it really can move. I mean, I'm essentially down 300 and something bucks right now trading micros. So you're restricted with them, 44 Punisher. Yeah, that sucks. I mean, it really does suck. Bullish volume on gold. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. I don't think you can go wrong buying gold or NASDAQ at any point lately. Seems like it always goes up. Oh no, Cajun, you went on tilt, got waxed today. Not hard. On a trend day, slow grinding trend day, just like yesterday, it's not hard to blow accounts, for sure. So if you get caught in that trend, it's tough trying to short it. Funky looking candle on NASDAQ. I still like it. I gotta stop way up there. 15 points, risking 300 bucks. Is there a way to see stop loss and take profit on the chart? Maybe are you looking to see it on the chart? I don't think so. I don't know. You're talking about like Project X, where you can see the money? I'm not really sure. All right, come on, Nasdaq. A little slow. I managed to lose some money real quick off the open, which, you know, is feast or famine. Usually trying to trade that open, but right now our trade's looking pretty decent. In gold, also in Nasdaq. Looking for a big move on gold. Looking for a big move. Chad, you shorting too? Let's go. Let's bring it down. Hey, Valdex, thank you so much. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I know it's late for some of you guys. Appreciate that. Smash that like button on your way out. You can draw it with the risk / ratio drawing. Oh, interesting. All right, gold just doesn't want to push down. Nasdaq's trying to push down. Fairly wide stops on all these, so giving it some room to breathe. Gold's kind of looking like a bull flag, to be honest, but Nasdaq's pushing down. There we go. There we go, Nasdaq. Do some Nasdaq things here. Gold's not cooperating, of course. Gold messed you up. 3K, lost 3K. Yeah, it's not hard. Gold. Yeah, I'm trading 2 micros right now, and I'm down like 300 bucks. 2 micros, so might just take off that gold trade and focus on this Nasdaq. See what gold's looking like. Lose the 32. Focus on the Nasdaq. I'm gonna focus on the Nasdaq. Took it off, lost 32 bucks on that gold trade. Hate trading gold. I know. This Nasdaq wasn't moving at all, but now it's moving pretty good. If I had to start from scratch and only had one account, which prop firm and account would you get? Right now, probably My Funded Futures. I think it's one of the best ROI accounts you can get because it's only 72 bucks all in, or 73 bucks all in. And if you use the free scale, the free flex add-on, you could potentially, you know, make 3, 4, 5,000 bucks. Yeah, Coach Fred, this is the Tradeday Cup. Yep. So I think that's one of the best ROI accounts going right now. It's my Funded Future one. Withdraw 50% of your profits. 5 days of $100 or more to qualify. It's pretty sweet. Buellnox still 83% off as well. So for cheaper evals, 29 bucks I think they are for the eval. Of course, it's 140 something dollars to activate it, but come on, NASDAQ, let's do it. Let's look for more. Stops to break even now. NASDAQ is only 10 points away. It looks like it's 50 points away, but it's only 10 points away. See if we can continue that cabooshin on NASDAQ. But this is a spot where it could bounce. So I'm just kind of moving my stop to break even and seeing if it runs. It'd be so nice if it ends up pulling back down into here. What's up, Trev? 200 people watching. Let's go! Exclamation point pine in the chat too. We'll do a giveaway if we get 200 likes. So smash that like button. If we get 200 likes, we'll do the giveaway. OC Dog Trainer, what is up? Got my 5th day today on my account. Let's go. Thought I was gonna say a take profit trader of 150K. No, because they're not. I mean, I love take profit trader. They are my favorite. I just don't think that they're that easy to get a payout on. I think the My Funded Futures accounts are one of the easier ones to get a payout on, personally. With that being said, I have a little bit of a My Funded Futures curse going on, so I haven't even picked up any more accounts myself. I currently have 5 Tradeday accounts, some Tradeday accounts, 3 take profit traders, and then those Lucid accounts funded. Working on some more Tradeday accounts too. I'm working on, I think I have 2 passed and 1 I'm looking to get passed as well. Hopefully I didn't move my stop too tight here. What's gold up to? Good exit on gold. Gold's pumping. So I like that exit on gold. I'm in 2 minis now. I just added. If it pops up to 175, then I get stopped out for 110 bucks, which is fine. But if market decides to turn back down here, the reward could be quite large, especially if we take out the make new session lows. But we are putting in an inside bar here, so it's a little concerning. Yeah, for sure. Simplistic videos. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, $200-300 a day across a bunch of those accounts and replaces income for most people. Grant, Michael, what is up? Failed my third challenge. Who are you trading with right now? I forgot. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is great. It's 50% consistency. You gotta trade it for 5 days. 50% is not bad. Might just close out this trade, see what this inside bar does. Take the 120. Okay, I'm gonna close that out for the 120. So down 269 now. Just gonna wait to see what this inside bar does. Yeah, Take Profit Trader. 50% consistency, trade it for 5 days. You can potentially get a payout on the 6th day, which is nice with TPT. Yeah, I know. I was getting a little concerned with it too, Trev, so I'm just going to exit there. Made a little bit of money on that trade. So I was down 300 something. Now I'm down 269, which is not too bad. One nice trade. We'll make that back and then some. Let's see. Gold pushing higher. All great companies, Grant. I think they're all great. Right now, Lucid does have that deal still going on too, so it's 45% off. 50K accounts, so it's like $74. That's a pretty good deal. My Funded Futures, the core accounts, it's a really good deal as well, especially with that free flex. I think that's a really good deal for My Funded Futures. So it's a lot like Top Step, right? So it's, you know, you can essentially just take out 50%, and you only got to make 5 days of $100 or more once you fund it. Tradeify is also nice. You can pass those in 1 day. I did pass 5 50K growth accounts, which I didn't even trade today. I don't think I traded. No. I didn't even trade them today. So I got a few payouts with Tradeify, but it's been a hot minute and I haven't really been trading with them. So I'm looking to take all 5 of those to pay out. That would be nice. All right, Nasdaq's bouncing here, so good call exiting that position. Would have got stopped out right there. Gold pushing higher. Possibly looking to fill this gap up here. 66 to 67. Jay doesn't answer why he doesn't like Tradeify, because he doesn't like Brett, which is the CEO. Yeah. Yeah, he said it on his stream, so I'm not saying anything out of school, but Yeah, he said it before. He doesn't like the CEO. I think Tradeday is a really good company. They have never denied a payout. There's never been one payout denied so far from Tradeday, according to you know, what they say. So. Oh no, design, you getting destroyed tonight? Yeah, you just can't buy one. I've been there many times. Design, you know what to do. You can just pack it up and come back tomorrow, you know. Losing 75 made me feel better. Losing 300, yeah. He started to hate take profit trader as well, and then started to promote them. So we'll see. Futures points. He might come around with Tradeday. We'll see. I don't know though. He doesn't like it. Wow, what a bounce off that inside bar and NQ. Why don't I just take it? Yo, Miss K, what is up? Don't come back tomorrow. It's gonna be crazy. Wait till Thursday. That is true. Down 1,000. Uh-oh. Unfunded. Yeah, so I like to try to keep a DLL. When I have the Project X, I'll keep it to like 800 bucks on those fundeds, and then I call it. Usually I can chip the Bulanox account that I got the 3 consecutive payouts on recently. That's what I did. And of course, on the Lucid accounts, I just got a payout on. I hit max daily loss limit, which was like 3,600 bucks. So it wasn't my personal daily loss limit, but yeah, I hear ya. I'm trying not to get beat up too bad on these accounts. So I'm trading a mini with the NQ, micros with gold, because I don't want to get too much in a hole for tomorrow. If I do, I'd like to be green. But down 269, made 1,500 on this account today. So people by choice still trading with Project X, or are they stuck with it? I mean, I'm trading with them by choice. I mean, I've seen this with every platform, tick for a tick. I mean, I've seen it with Tradeday. I've seen it with Ninja Trader, like, you know, that portion. I've seen it with, you know, Rhythmic stuff with Quantower, and I've seen these massive like outages and whatever. I mean, I'm not thrilled on what they did, according to the prop firm owners, how they kind of left them hanging out to dry. But I mean, I pretty much have seen it with everyone before. So yeah, I mean, I'm still sticking with them. I like Project X, and I like Tradeday at the moment. I used to trade with Quantower. I traded with Quantower for a year. Actually, if you guys look back in my old streams, I was trading Quantower. The massive slippage. Yeah, sometimes there is that massive slippage. I had the. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, the corrective action after the outage. I agree with you, tick for tick. Yeah, how they handled it was not cool. I don't think they could get away with it doing it again, but you know, you never know. Trading Rhythmic, Quantower is buggy. Yeah, I used to trade Quantower. I do like Quantower. I love it. I just like the mobile stuff now, just because I can trade it on my Chromebook and when I'm sitting on the couch, and it runs so smooth. All right, we are bouncing off that inside bar, having some little FOMO. Well, that's okay. Gold's pushing higher. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. Made a killing today. Let's go, Smokey. Slippage X, I know. Boy, when it was everyone's love affair. Made 400 bucks. Let's go, Scalp Ripper. Yeah, Project X was everyone's love affair for a while, and then the outage happened. In all-time highs again, wicked. Yeah, I know. It's just, I mean, buy every dip, right? I mean, that's the theme. We have another rude awakening coming. We have another one of these candles coming eventually. One of these bad boys. I think we got one of these coming. At some point. A 44.96. Let's go. Could happen later this week or next. It could, yeah. We just don't know when. It's just gonna tease you. You think the rug pull is gonna happen, and then it'll bounce, and then it'll just happen when you least expect it, you know? I mean, that one was insane. That one was absolutely insane. It looked like it was about ready to break all-time highs and then just yank. But look at this giant open gap on NQ. What was that, like 180 points or something like that? On the daily chart? That's gonna get filled. And like this, so yeah, I remember when this candle happened and we had this open gap down here, and it wasn't even that as large, and that candle came down, filled that open gap, and then bounced, right? You see it right here. We had that open gap from 912, 911, 912. We had that, and that candle came down and yank. Nasdaq pushing up here. Back above the VWAP. Gold. Continuing to want to push higher, but still inside this, whatever candle this was. Some sort of data candle, some sort of stop run, whatever. All I know is like a 50-point candle. But yeah, it's just hanging out there. Slippage sucks. Yeah, you very rarely get the positive slippage, right? 21K this month with them. Let's go, Smokey. I was never a Project X fan. Quant Tower, Ninja Trader was good. I only left because I could not multi-prop. Oh, right, yeah. Yeah, for sure. I never used Ninja Trader. I've never used Ninja Trader. My brother used Ninja Trader. I never used it. I started with Tradeday and then switched to Quant Tower. Almost burned the brats on the grill. Don't do that. Hi, does my code work for Lucid? It sure does. Trade the Momo. Code Pine for Lucid. Appreciate you. Yep, got a 3K payout with them yesterday. I made a little short video about it in case you didn't see it, but Lucid actually paid me in less than 2 minutes. So once I had my the ACH setup or whatever it was to the bank, once that was all done through Plaid, and then literally I clicked the button, and it was less than 2 minutes, and it was right to my bank. Yeah, I have the 150Ks. Yeah, trade the Momo. I have 150Ks straight to funded because I like the $6,000 in drawdown I get. And I used it. So I'll show you my dashboard. So I traded Lucid a little bit today, but nothing crazy. But here's the dashboard of the payout I just took. So lost $3,600 on the day one. So definitely not ideal, but because of the $6,000 drawdown, I was able to just kind of grind it all back and ended up getting a 3K payout on it. So yeah, so I got three of the 150K direct to fundeds. Were I in charge of making one of the My Fun and Future giveaway words today? No, Ethan. No, I'm not. I don't get anything from that show as far as pay or anything. I just Harami 30. Let's go. That's awesome. No, I think Magnus, he's a fan of mine too. So he's a fan of mine. That's awesome. That's hilarious. Rami 30. No, I'm just a friend of the show, you know. I pop on pretty much whenever I want, and that's nice. Is the D different on the test accounts? The drawdown? Yeah. It's different. It's 4,500 for the test accounts. Yeah, the straight to funded is the Lucid Direct, they call it, is 6,000. So yeah. On the 150Ks. It's the same on the 50Ks though. Nope, yeah, 4,500. Next trade, Lou. Let's go. Thank you so much. Look at NASDAQ here, kind of breaking a little flag here, but sitting right on that VWAP. You feel calm trading? Let's go, James. Appreciate you hanging out. Yeah, market's a little meh tonight. It could be worse though. I've seen it worse. Maybe a little gold short scalp off the Harami. The Harami 30. Looking at shorts on NQ as well. Yeah, I was looking at that. Little structure break. Little Tory tan line. Basically shorting right where we were short before. It's not bad because it could just come back down to the session lows. I'm a short here, NASDAQ. Stop at the high. Put in an outside bar. I kind of like it. Haven't broke the outside bar though, which makes me a little nervous, but broke back down below the VWAP. Risking 300. Looking to possibly take out session lows. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Please smash the like button. I don't know where we're at with likes, but we gotta get 200 likes before we do the giveaway. So we got, let's see, 233 people watching, so it shouldn't be an issue. 165 likes, guys. Smash those likes and push the stream through the YouTube algorithms. I'm tired tonight. Oh, you know what it was? It's because Terry Trades made me set an alarm clock to wake up for her stream this morning. That's why I'm so tired. I forgot. NLS, yeah, I had a pretty good day. I made 1,500 on this account, but I'm trying to give that back apparently right now. But yeah, I was green on everything else. Passed a few accounts. What's up, Donna? All right, broke the downside of that outside bar. Stopped going just above the outside bar. No need for me to risk an extra 4 points, in my opinion. So maybe we're putting in a higher low, a lower high. I mean. Today was ripping, yeah. I caught some of the long, but I pretty much made the money pre-market. So that was up. I was up. I didn't catch much of this. I caught a little bit, but nothing crazy. So yeah, I think right now with Lucid, I think you get an extra 5% off too if you're new to Lucid. So when you use code PINE. But yeah, it's 45% off Lucid 50K test accounts, and then 30% off the direct to funded accounts. But I think you get an extra 5% off the 50K test account. Think so, 50% off, but if not, you get 45%. Yeah, I saw that, Michael Benny. Yeah, I haven't tried them out yet, but yeah, I saw that they have no consistency, no max payout rule. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I decided not to trade Asia for the foreseeable future. I don't blame you, Donna. I really don't blame you. It's yeah, it can beat you up for sure. Do I think this is a setup for interest rates tomorrow? Possibly, yeah. I mean, it's the market's ridiculous right now, especially tech, right? Tech, AI, I mean, it's just nuts. Loser had some good rules. Yeah, I traded that account just like how I would want to. You know, I really didn't stick with consistent sizing or anything weird. I had some big drawdown days. And yeah, I got paid out just fine. So on the 150K, it's 20% consistency. Make 9,000, get $3,000 payout, and then, which is kind of nice because now I still have a large buffer. So as long as I stick to daily loss limits, then I should be able to keep that account around. So I still got $7,700 of or $7,600 of drawdown left on that account. So basically you get paid once you, it's like passing a 150K, and then when you pass it, you know, then you get paid, right? $3,000. That's how I looked at that direct to funded. It's a little expensive, but oh, markets. So yeah, so I was short off this outside bar, but it's just not working. It's like we're gonna get stopped out. Trying to grow your fitness channel? Let's go, Donna. Yeah, Donna has a fitness channel. If you guys want to check that out. Has a fitness YouTube channel. Go give her a sub. Yeah, you want some relaxed consistency rules? Yeah, I hear you. I definitely like non-consistent accounts, but the consistency does keep me in check. Keeps me from over trading. 8 days, I believe. Let me double check that. Eight days with Lucid. Let me just double check real quick. Yeah, 8 days. I'll put the link in there for you, Donna, so people can click on it. There. There's Donna's YouTube channel, if you guys want to check that out. Fitness channel. It's easier to continue taking payouts after the first payout on Tradeday. Yeah, for sure. So I got 5 Tradeday accounts right now, Trader Z. Hoping to get some more payouts from that. Consistency screws me. Those on the 2 days of the month that are massive, obvious trend days. I know. I know. Yeah, I've had to stop myself for sure. Usually what I do, Michael, is if I hit like the daily profit. So I try to keep it like right around 2,000 bucks on those 150s, and then I usually just hop in another account or something. But yeah, I hear you. It sucks. For some reason I can't manage to ever do it with a non-consistent account. Anyway, if I'm in a non-consistent account, I never seem to hit those trend days. Every once in a while I do, but it's like a little curse. All right, NASDAQ. Still rejecting. Back below the VWAP now. Maybe this is a catalyst that brings us lower. How do you qualify for the giveaway? Just put exclamation point pine in the chat. Giving away a 50K Tradeday account, intraday account. So, and you guys have to smash the like button too. That's the rule. Come on, NASDAQ, get down there. Got our likes. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate you. One more 5-minute bar and you short? I like it. Feels like it's gonna chop till the Tokyo Open though, don't it? So we'll do the giveaway here in right around 5-10 minutes. I'll start getting it set up. If you guys haven't joined already, it's exclamation point pine in the chat. We'll do a moose race. We'll do a moose race. We had a lot of people in the moose race last night. I don't think there's as many this tonight. Let's see. Yeah, 214. We had 300 something last night. 300. Usually let you know when you're in it. Let me check. Yeah, the chat's been all weird, like with... Yeah, you're in, Donna. Yeah, it's so weird, like with this @ stuff, and then you go on some other channels and it's not. So I don't know what's going on with that. Baby channel's growing into infinite moose. I know, Fred. Fred's been around since the beginning. Fred was there when I was streaming to what, like 10 people, 15 people. It was crazy. Maybe even less. Hopefully I win some of this trade day money, and that's going to be wild, right? There's going to be some nice giveaways. If I win that trade day, some of that trade day money. It's going to be good for the community anyway, because no matter what, if you guys are following the trade day affiliates, the people in the top, you know, whether it's Kellyanne, Uncle Bugatti, Methodical, or any of the other people that are in it, they're gonna do some massive giveaways, so it should be sweet. Gold's moving now. What's gold up to? Boner candle, gold. What a nice bull flag break. I mean, just textbook. Textbook. Chris Knopf, how come I don't have a Tradeify Grand Cup team? I don't know. They never asked me. Chris Knopf. I mean, I would have done it in a heartbeat, but they never asked me. So But yeah, if you guys want to join the Tradeify tournament, that's coming up next week. So you can qualify for free to join as long as you're trading with Tradeify. So if you're trading with Tradeify, if you wanted to try Tradeify, use code PINE, pick up an account, and then you can enter in on the cup. Yeah, I to be honest, I don't get much love from Tradeify, Krishnov. Yeah, actually not many people buy many Tradeify accounts using my code, surprisingly. But I'm planning on taking a massive payout from Tradeify, so that'll put me on the map, right? That's how you win. Join an FSP? Let's go, Krishnov. Actually, I saw you chatting in there today. I was lurking. I go, I know Krishnov. He's one of my members. Hey, Daba. Think my bot's rejecting you for the giveaway? I think you're in. You're in. Yeah, you're in. All right, we got gold pushing up. We got NASDAQ pushing up. I'm going to start getting the moose race ready here. It's like we possibly will get taken out. Just can't keep this NASDAQ down. You asked the question, didn't get answered. I know. I was watching on the TV, so I didn't have a way to chat. But I saw your question. I'm like, oh, I should go get my computer and answer the question. So I saw you ask a question about the Tradeify Cup. Yeah, that's when I saw your name. Too funny. Let's see. Well, it looks like we're gonna get stopped out here. Just can't seem to buy one tonight. Yeah, stopped out there. Down 529. It's alright. Still up 1,000 on this account. 2 days. We'll see what we can do with it later. Just dumb. Anyways, let's give away an account. Yeah, you just can't hold NASDAQ down. Yeah, just trying to short it. All right, I'll give you guys 30 seconds to hop in. Let's go, Ms. K. This one's my favorite. Pine tree head guy. I don't know what it means, but you praying for a faster moose today? What do I consider a crucial piece of the puzzle in order to become consistent? I think daily loss limits. Yeah, walking away red on a daily basis. So, you know, if you just can set a daily loss limit and walk away and not use the account as the loss limit, you'd be amazed, like how you can come back the next day or the day after and just, it's like that, you know, that loss you took on the previous day doesn't even matter anymore. It's just, I think that's the biggest thing. So like when I'm trading Project X, I can set those daily loss limits and lock it for the day, and that saves me from myself. All right, closing entries. $245 Mises. Let's go. Yeah, for sure. Toy, yeah, for sure. Let's go. Moose race time. This is for a 50K trade day intraday account. Must be able to trade with Tradeday and must be present to win. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Trades by Neo on the outside. Who's it gonna be? I can barely see the names even tonight. We got Chris Gandy on the outside. Who else we got here? 15 seconds here. We got someone out into the lead here. I don't even know. I can't even read their name. We got, I can't even see. We're all just grouped up. Rubbin's racing. Oh, someone's making a run. Coming up through the middle. It is... Who's it gonna be? Prudence Snipe. Prudence Snipe. 1396. Congratulations. Are you here? They aren't here. Toy says they're not here. Let's go. Did you finish last again? I thought it was you, Sniper. No. Hey, let's go. Prudent Snipe. Let's go. Congratulations. Let's see who finished last. Edge Engine finished last. Discipline Futures Trader in the back too. Godwin in the back. No Moose Knuckles, no. I haven't seen Tyler. Tyler hasn't been hanging out. Congratulations, Prudent Snipes. Are you in the Discord by chance? If not, that's fine. If anyone wants to join the Discord, I'll put the link in the chat. It's free. Yeah, he streams later, though. I think he streams after me. Let's go, Prudent Snipes. Congratulations. You can join right now. Let's go. So much easier. Let me see. Just let me know your name. Now I'm back to trading gold after the chop. Let's go. Can I pay your eval fee? I wish I had the money to do that for everyone. Thanks, Sean. Got Tokyo opening here soon. Hey, Bella Kim in the house. What is up, Bella? What is happening? Good to see you, Bella. Alright, I gotta take this Moose Race hat off because it is hot. What's your Discord name, Prudence? Is it the same? Just so I know. We got a bunch of people join, so. Gold, 4,025 tonight, possibly. Yeah, absolutely. It's ripping. NQ as well. It just can't bring the market down. A little late on a stake. I was looking for gold sell, stop me out so quick in the blink of an eye. Yeah. Eyeball, right? Okay, cool. Thank you. Yeah, I'm down 529 right now, which is fine. Although I seem to be down every single time I trade this account lately. Starting in the hole every single night. Started in the hole last night too. Ended up getting back and made 1,500 on it today. But yeah, it just sucks starting in the hole. Gold's pushing. Yeah, gold's pushing. Do I trade gold in big ranges and use fib levels? I just look for inside bars, bear flags, bull flags, things like that with the gold. Yeah. You looking for the dailies at 20 SMA on gold? Let's go, Todd. Thanks for that. Alright, we are pushing higher. So we got Tokyo open here in right about a minute 30. So gold pushing up through, making new session highs. Nasdaq's doing nothing. It's literally doing nothing. Gold pulling back a little bit here. We got Tokyo open here in just a few seconds. See what happens. All right, getting a little pullback here. Tokyo Open. Pushing back. NASDAQ pushing back down to the VWAP. It's just so hard to short NASDAQ. It's just so bullish. It's ridiculous. Nothing makes sense. I think I'm gonna call it there, guys. So I'll look for your name. Prudent Snipes. I'll look for your name in the Discord, and then I'll DM you, and I'll give you that code for the that Tradeday account. And yeah, we'll do it again tomorrow night, same time, same place. See how we can do tomorrow. See if I can take Kellyanne in first place in that Tradeday Cup. So I really want to try to win that. That'll be fun. My website is pinned to the top of the chat, propcodeshub.com. I'll pin it again. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. No early stream tomorrow, Mo. I'm gonna sleep in. No, I won't sleep in too much, but yeah. So anyways, guys, yeah, use my code PINE. Take Profit Trader, Apex Funding, Bulenox, Lucid, My Funded Futures, Tradeify, Tradeday. Tradeday, it's PINE with a capital P. So that's the only one that's case sensitive. It's PINE with a capital P for Tradeday. Everything else is just PINE. It should work just fine. If you'd like to help support the channel, I really appreciate that, guys. Take Profit Trader, I haven't quite hit the bonus yet, but hopefully I can hit the bonus. You guys keep using my code. By the end of this month, I can give away some 150K accounts if I hit the bonus. That'll be sweet. And so yeah, use code PINE for Take Profit Trader. And yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. And we'll do it again tomorrow. Hopefully I can make some money tomorrow. I'm like 0 for 2 the last 2 nights. It's horrible. But we'll do it again. Stay tuned for the outro. And yeah, that's all I got for you. Have a good night. Stay safe. Stick with those daily loss limits. Let's go. Peace.
I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine Tree Trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Tradeday the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Tradeday the platform, we're in full control. Tradeday the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high. Pine tree trader strategy, under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part. Yeah, pine tree trader.